the tube into the appropriate hole. The hole size is dependent on the diameter of the tube. The protruding piece of the tube should be equal to the length of the base of the punch. Put the proper punch on the adjusted pipe and place fastener and tool head locating sharpened tool head end inside the punch. Tighten hand wheel of a tool head to press the punch. That is how single flare is made. Put on properly selected nipples and repeat flaring process on the other pipe's end. The tool makes flares on copper brake pipes of following diameters. To make double flare, after making a single flare, take out the punch and screw only the tool head.